We're making this little princess dog treats. One, well, look at her. She's worth it. And two, she's bowed out. So stay tuned for this 3-ingredient dog treat and see how she likes it at the end. You ready? You ready to bake? Yes. All right, the first of our 3 ingredients is oats, which we're going to grind down to a fine flour. I did put a little extra so that I can dust my rolling surface when I roll out the biscuits. Now we've made a coarse oat flour. So now we're going to add 1/3 cup of pumpkin puree. Not pumpkin pie filling, just pure pumpkin. And 1/4 cup of peanut butter. It's very important that your peanut butter doesn't contain sugar or sweeteners. Typically, pure peanut butter in its best form for dogs is simply peanuts, a little bit of oil, and that's it. No artificial sweeteners. That's not good for your dog. And once you have your 3 ingredients, you're going to mix it into a gooey dough. And now we're ready to roll it out. And we're going to roll it out. I recommend kind of smushing it out with the palm of your hand between 2 pieces of parchment paper. And you want to get this, I guess, maybe 1/8 of an inch thick. Now we're using some small cookie cutters, so we really don't need them to be that thick. It's looking good. I've preheated the oven to 300 degrees and I've lined my cookie sheet with parchment paper as well. If your dough cracks a little bit, just use your fingers to pull it back together. Just a little extra flour. Now we're going to roll it a little bit more. I'm just going to cut out. And these will bake in the oven for about 30 minutes or until crisp. Okay, that first batch is out of the oven and cooled. Let's see what Dallas thinks. She's waiting. Yes, Princess, are you waiting to try these dog treats? Yeah? Shall we give it a go? It's got your favorites in it. Peanut butter, oatmeal. Oh my goodness. Well, all right then, there you have it. 3-ingredient puppy treats your dog will love. If you try this recipe, please let us know in the comments what your dog thought. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and tell your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Until next time, we'll see you then. Is that good? Belch. Okay, Princess. Good girl. All right, let's get down. Goodbye.